I've been making good pizza for about a decade now, but I've never explored my options of using gizzard in my pizza. Just like we have chicken pizza, pepperoni pizza, now we are making gizzard pizza. So let's get into it. So I decided to tender roast my chicken because when you're eating it on a pizza, it has to be tender and at the same time sweet, even in the inside. So I decided to employ all the services of the spices that I have in my kitchen, a bit of garlic, ginger, light soy sauce, curry, thyme, seasoning cube, and all. So I put a little portion of it to make sure that it is very rich and tasty at the end of the day. For Sunday to be good, it is from Saturday that we will know. For my gizzard pizza to be lovely, it is from this gizzard that I will know. So I quickly take my time to make sure that it is well done. So stir frying it to make sure that I carried along all the necessary ingredients in my pan to pack it inside the tender roasting gizzard, just to make sure that it's lovely. And at the end of the day, I get this caramelized gizzard that is very richly and tenderly roasted. It's so good, and at the same time I already know that I'm going to be getting a lovely pizza even at this point. A perfectly roasted gizzard made and set aside. Everyone knows that the heart of a good pizza is the cheese. If you use less than required amount, they will say your pizza is not good. So apart from getting a very good pizza crust, you must also add enough cheese to make sure that when they are eating it, it is very cheesy. And here is the pizza dough. I made it like an hour earlier. I quickly dusted my work surface to get it spread into the pan. And I'm working with 14 inches pizza pan. And the dough is 450 grams because I needed it to belly food. Everybody in the house is expecting the gizzard taste in the pizza. If you're a pizza lover or you like to know more about pizza, get connected to this community because I'll be sharing more different types of pizza, how you can get the best out of it, how you can even use it to make money because it's a luxury food, my dear. So you can do well by giving us a thumbs up or even leave a comment just to encourage us to do more. For a quick use, I normally have my pizza sauce chilling in my freezer. So I quickly brought it out just to spread it on this special pizza. So after spreading the pizza sauce, it is time for cheese. Add as much as possible. For this video, I used 250 grams of mozzarella cheese. You can use a little less or more depending on the availability of it and your likeness for the cheese. And here comes the special ingredient for today, which is the gizzard. I quickly place all the gizzard I have in the house on top of my pizza just to have enough of it. I decided not to use any other toppings just to make sure that we have enough of that cheese. We want to actually see the difference between the other pizza and this gizzard pizza, getting the traditional flavor of pizza. I added my oregano and parsley just for it to bring out the aromatic smell of that ancient pizza flavor. And we can't do but to add a little pepper because I really want people to feel the spicy just a little. So I added the pepper. So after now, I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour just for it to proof while I preheat my oven. This is exactly how it looks after baking, and my oven is hot, ready for baking. So I bake it at 250 degrees for 35 minutes. And here comes the well-baked gizzard pizza. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join us for more videos like this. I'm Chef Missy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.